Hi and welcome to our Linux tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about monitoring system performance using Htop. Monitoring system performance is a crucial aspect of system administration and troubleshooting in Linux. Tools like Htop and Htop provide real-time insights into the system's resource usage, processes, and other performance metrics. Here's an overview of these monitoring tools. 1. Htop. Usage. Htop is a command line tool that provides a dynamic, real-time view of system processes and resource utilization. Key features: resource usage, displays CPU usage, memory usage, swap usage, and more. Process information, lists running processes, their process IDs, PIDs, user, CPU %, memory %, and other details. System summary shows overall system information, including uptime, total tasks, CPU statistics, and memory usage. 2. Htop. Usage. Htop is an advanced, interactive version of Htop with an enhanced user interface. Key features: colorized output, utilizes colors for better visual representation. Search and filter, allows you to search for specific processes or filter based on criteria. Scrollable process list, you can scroll through the process list vertically and horizontally. Using Htop and Htop for system monitoring. Launching, simply type Htop or Htop in the terminal to launch the respective tool. Understanding metrics, monitor CPU usage, memory utilization, load averages, and swap usage. Process management, identify resource-hungry processes, their PIDs, and user information. Sorting and filtering, change the sorting order of processes based on criteria such as CPU usage or memory usage. Troubleshooting, use these tools to identify performance bottlenecks, high resource usage, or poorly behaving processes. These monitoring tools are invaluable for system administrators, providing a quick and detailed overview of system health. Whether you prefer the simplicity of Htop or the enhanced features of Htop, incorporating these tools into your system management routine can greatly assist in maintaining optimal system performance.